what's going on, guys? Welcome back. I'm here with my fidget spinner video again. It's the same one we did last time, except we're gonna be seeing which one spins the longest with the finger pads. Finger pads spin the longest. We're gonna put them on whichever finger pad spins the longest, putting it on this fidget spinner. Whichever one doesn't, put it on this fidget spinner. So we have the silver finger pad. This is the one where you have to screw it in. Hang on, I'll show you. Right, look. Okay, so it's in place. This is what it looks like when it's screwed in. Yeah. Hang on, let me check my monitor real quick. The most rarest fidget spinner is... Surprisingly, guys, I actually have the rarest fidget spinner. The rarest fidget spinner is this one, and this one. And these two. This one, hang on, let me scoot this back. This one and this one. These two are the most rarest fidget spinners in the world. Surprising, I actually have them. Look this. So we gonna have this finger pad versus the rainbow one's finger pad, and whichever one doesn't spin the longest goes on the silver, and whichever one spins the longest goes on the rainbow. Oh, this one just stopped. Is this one gonna go off the table? If this one goes off the table, then it's over. The gray one wins. Oh! It spins way longer than the gray one. Okay. So now we're doing the other finger pad for the silver one. It's this. I'll show you the spin. This is gonna be one, and then this one. Okay. 3, 2. No way. We actually had a tie. A freaking tie. Here we go. We gotta go again. Okay. This one. Okay, guys. So the rainbow one went off the table, so we gotta go again. Stop. This one just stopped. This is the spin battle, the salty fidget spinner. Color could be the gray one because it's not as heavy as the rainbow one. Okay, ready? Which one will spin the longest? I cannot know, I'm not actually holding my phone. I'm using my pop socket on the back. It's kind of broke. Oh well, I still use it. Oh, I just accidentally hit this one. So, this one wins. That's one of the 3 rounds. If this one wins again, it's all over. Let's go. Let's spin it again. Okay, we're going. Guys, what? There we go. Now can I have the Pepsi?